Good morning. So this morning I'm very excited because I got little packet. Ta-da! This is a camera pocket. So just camera now. So I wanna make it unboxing video of this camera. So guys, I really excited opening this packet. So I got this camera like I buy from online as well. So I'm pre-order around like 3 weeks I guess. So yeah. I have to be patient to get this camera because like color that I want not in stock, so I have to be pre-order it first. So I got the strap, what it is. Oh, this is the like USB cable, and then the battery. And the head of charger. And this is the queen. Oh my god, look at this color, so pretty, so pink. I love this color. And I got the guidebook, so don't forget, read first before you use, guys. So got the sticker. Okay. And skin protection. Oh, and then like little towel for cleaning your camera. Zip. So I open the strap, open the USB cable, then head of charger, click it. Oh, battery. So I guess I want to put in the battery to the camera. Click on, then okay, put in, click. Oh, I got the bonus from the seller. This is a memory card, 16 gigabyte. So put in beside the battery, click. Oh, and I got some card reader. Okay, orangey. This is gonna be useful for me. Oh, and I got the tripod, mini tripod. Okay. And voila, this is my camera all ready to mingle. Yep, she's stunning, and record anything that I want to record. Oh, anyway, like this is a selfie camera, so you can take some selfie shot. So yeah. So off the camera. Oh, and thanks for the seller. I got a bonus. This is Hello Kitty pouch. Oh my god, this is so cute. cute. I got the strap too. Click on it. Then ready to go. Yep, so okay Slay Bae, I'm done unboxing this cutie one. Basically, like, I buy this because like I freaking love with pink color. So you can see this very gorgeous pink. So yeah, that's my reason. So I love the color, I buy. But no, not just that. So like I look a many review about this bag girl. So this is not expensive enough, but this one make it a good quality picture in our video. So yeah, like that's my reason. So this is like me and camera version. So you can see this one can do selfie camera. So this is from the back. Absolutely cute if you love pink or you wanna buy sorry, I wanna offer. So if you wanna buy like not expensive camera but with a good quality, you can choose this. Oh, so one thing, like what I love about this bag girl, like you can grab the camera. This can fit on your purse, even a big purse, little purse. So easy to. So now I wanna hang out outside, try this one. I wanna make it review if it's cute or not, and outline. So now I sit on the car and shoot outside from inside. Voila, this is my Gucci shoes. Oh, sorry guys, like I forgot to take my tripod with me, so my bad. So I'm so sorry if like a little bit shaky. And I want to show you my outfit of the day. Yeah, you know girls always like do same thing, like show outfit of the day. So this is my Gucci bag, my lovely cutie bag. Then my legging, my lovely legging. And my Gucci ready shoes. So adorable. Okay, back to the top. Then maybe I have to buy some drink because like I'm a little bit thirsty here. So to find a table to sit and okay. I take some video from my Casio Exilim ZR3600. So this is the resolution. Yes, so I'm in front of Exilim, by the way. So anyway, I will continue with another spot. And this picture I took with my Casio Exilim. So now I'm at the Rapang. This is my favorite Japanese restaurant because they got like really good bubble tea. I love bubble tea so bad. And they got very delicious toast and croissant. I love croissant so bad. So many choices here to enjoy the croissant. Oh yeah, and they got a very artistic design. Oh, and I want to show you how my Casio Exilim. So zoom in. Hello. zoom in. Okay, and then zoom out. Yep. So I'm at Pemula. This is my order. I ordered has no milk bubble tea, so this pic I took with Casio Exilim, no filter anyway. And then this pic with a beauty mode, you can change it, so you know the difference. Yeah, so I'm home now, and you can see that's the all picture and all video like by my Casio Exilim. So I hope like this video can help you to know about this bad girl. So okay, if you love this video, I hope you can give me a thumbs up and you can subscribe below this. And yeah, so goodbye from now, like see you soon in my next video. Bye. Casio Exilim ZR300. Oh my god, why I can't say it.